So question number 3, part C. So in the C part, we have a second order reaction and rate is also given. Just extract the values from the question. So volume, as I have done earlier, volume is 1.8 dm cube. Initial moles are 25, so Na is equal to 25 moles. So it is second order reaction and rate minus Ra is equal to K Ca square. So what is Ra? Just take negative to the other side, square, and K is equal to 2 dm cube per minute per mole. And this last thing you need to read it carefully. Okay, so for example, in first part, he simply said that you need to calculate the time required to reduce the number of moles of A in the reactor to 12.5. Okay, initially it was 25, and he is saying that you need to calculate the time when the moles of A are reduced to 12.5. Okay, so your final Na was 12.5. In the second part, he used the sentence to reduce the number of moles to 0.25. So your Na was 0.25. Okay, but in the third part, he is saying that calculate the reaction time necessary to consume 20 moles. Okay, to consume 20 moles. If 25 moles are at initial and 20 moles are consumed, so what are the amount of moles that will be left? I am writing it this was Na naught, and if 25 moles are there and 20 moles are consumed, how many moles? It will be 5 moles. Okay, so Na will be 5 moles. So just let's start from the basic design equation of batch reactor, that is dNA by dt is equal to R multiplied by V. Okay, paste value of R in this equation, so it will be equal to minus K Ca square multiplied by V. So what is Ca? Ca is equal to Na divided by volume, and Ca square is equal to Na square by V square. Just put the value of Ca square here, so it will be equal to dNA by dt is equal to minus K Na square by V square multiplied by V. So this one V will be cancelled out with this square. Okay, and one V will be left. So what will be its form? dNA by dt is equal to minus K Na square by V. So you need to solve this differential, just separate the variables. So it will be dNA, just take Na square to the other side, it will be Na square, it will be, and this t to the other side, and it will be equal to minus K over V multiplied by dt. Okay, so just moving to the next slide. So we have more space. dNA by Na square is equal to minus K over V dt. Just take integral of this side and this side. These limits are Na naught to Na, and it will be 0 to t. Before we solve it, just take this Na square to the upper side, so it will be Na naught to Na, and Na to the power minus 2. Why minus 2? Because it was positive 2 at the denominator. When you take to the upper side, it will be negative 2, and dNA is equal to minus 0 to t k over v dt. Okay, so as we have already solved this type of differential, so it is dNA negative 2 plus 1 divided by same power minus 2 plus 1, and Na naught to Na is equal to minus k over v, because these are constant, multiplied by t, 0 to t. Okay, so just resolve it. So it will be Na minus 2 plus 1, it will be equal to minus 1 divided by minus 1 is equal to minus k. Sorry, you also need to apply the limits here. It will be minus k over v t. Okay, so this minus multiplied by this minus, just take this minus 1 to the other side, both will be multiplied and it will be positive. So Na negative 1 Na naught to Na is equal to k over Vt. Okay, in this step I have just removed this negative sign because these two were multiplying. Okay, just take minus 1 to the bottom, so it will be 1 over Na. Okay, it is same as this positive, when it goes to upper side it became minus 2, and this was negative 1, when you take to the bottom it will be positive 1. Okay, Na naught to Na is equal to k over V multiplied by T. Just apply these limits. So it will be 1 over upper limit, this is Na, minus 1 over lower limit, that is 1 over N naught is equal to k over V multiplied by T. So what is 1 over Na? It is, I guess, 5 minus what is Na naught? It is 25 is equal to, what is k? Just check it. K is 2. And what is volume? Volume is 1.8 multiplied by T. Okay. So 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 is equal to 0.2 minus 1 by 25 is equal to 0.05, and when you divide 2 divided by 1.8, it will be equal to 1.111 multiplied by T. 0.2 minus 0.04, its answer is 0.16 equal to 1.2 T, and you need to calculate the value of T. So T, just divide this 1.111 to the other side, so it will be 0.16 divided by 1.111, so its answer will be equal to 0.1444 minutes is equal to time. So part 3 is also